Not supposed to do this. That's actually what we're fixing. Do you, like me, have a JL Wrangler, and you go to get in here and you're riding around on a nice sunny day, and you say, I'm gonna drop down the windshield visor here. And it does that. You take it off of this side, it does that. Well, there's a fix for it, and it's really simple. I bought this a while back. There's several different versions. Like 20 bucks on Amazon. And this little metal plate right here is going to go in place up there, and it's going to hold the visor up. Really simple fix. The problem is, this stuff right here is plastic, and it breaks, it gives out, and it falls out. We're going to take the plastic out. Well, actually, you're just going to take the screws out and put this metal plate over the plastic, and it's going to hold everything in place. Nice, quick, easy, simple fix. Remove the old screws. You see here, the new ones will be a little bit longer to accommodate the thickness of this shim. So you'll slide this plate in from the front side like that, holding this up, and it is easier to extend this out so you can rotate around and get these screws. So now I can tighten this one up with the tool they gave me, and we're good to rock and roll now. So now with both of the screws tight, that metal plate will hold this thing in place right there. It won't come out. You see it shaking like it wants to come out, but it ain't going to, because that metal plate's going to hold it. I mean, this is a quick, simple, easy fix. This mod probably took me 2.5 minutes to do. Gotta love it. Now when I'm riding around, this thing won't fall off, because there's times I'm riding around like this, and this thing just falls down in my view. And as you see, there's very little view right here anyway, so you're like trying to hold that thing up and get it out of the way. It was not good. So anyways, that's a nice, easy, simple fix. They give you the tool for removing the factory screws right here. Then 2 new screws with that plate, and a tool for installing the 2 new screws. And it's literally everything you needed. So I've had this Jeep for what, 3 years now? I never knew these windshield visors did all that. I mean, I don't know what it would accomplish because it blocks the rearview mirror. But, well, there it goes. Hey, look, this right here is why we're fixing it. See how that just popped out? That's the problem you got.